Let us take one example on higher order partial derivatives. That is dou u by dou x is equals to dou by dou x of x square plus y square plus z square. If u is like this, then let us find dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z, dou to u by dou x square, dou to u by dou y square, dou to u by dou x dou y, and dou to u by dou y dou x. So here u is given. First let us find dou u by dou x. So dou u by dou x is equals to, as we know here, we have to differentiate this partially with respect to x. So that is only x is variable, remaining are all constants. So derivative of x square is 2x. Here y is constant and z is constant. So derivative of y and z are zeros. Next is dou u by dou y. So dou u by dou y is dou by dou y of x square plus y square plus z square. So we are differentiating this partially with respect to y. Only y is variable, remaining are all constants. So derivative of x square is 0 and derivative of z square is also 0. Only derivative of y square is 2y. Then dou u by dou z is dou by dou z of x square plus y square plus z square. So here x and y are constants. Derivative of constants are 0 only. So derivative of z square is 2z. Next is dou to u by dou x square. Means you have to differentiate dou u by dou x with respect to x partially. That is dou by dou x of dou u by dou x. It is equals to dou by dou x of 2x. So as we know, derivative of 2x with respect to x is 2. Similarly, dou to u by dou y square is equals to dou by dou y of dou u by dou y is equals to dou by dou y of 2y. It is equals to again derivative of 2y is 2. Next is dou to u by dou z square is equals to dou by dou z of dou u by dou z, and it is equals to dou by dou z of 2z, and derivative of 2z with respect to z is 2. Dou to u by dou x dou y is equals to dou by dou y of dou u by dou x. Dou by dou y of, as we have done derivative of u with respect to x as 2x in first example. So it is equals to derivative of 2x with respect to y partially, because here x, we are differentiating x partially with respect to y, means it is a constant. Derivative of constant is 0. Similarly, dou to u by dou y into dou z x is equals to dou by dou x of dou u by dou y is equals to dou by dou x of 2y, because we have done in second example dou u by dou y as 2y. So derivative of 2y with respect to x partially is again 0, because y is independent of x. Here you have to treat y as constant. Let us take one more example on partial derivatives only. Suppose if u is equals to e raised to 3x square plus xy, then let us find dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. Here u is equals to e raised to 3x square plus xy. Let us differentiate this partially with respect to x. So here it is like e raised to x. First you have to treat this one as x. That is, we know derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x only. Then it is a composite function. To differentiate this once again, dou by dou x of 3x square plus xy. So this e raised to 3x square plus xy is as it is. Derivative of x square plus xy with respect to x partially. Derivative of 3x square is 6x plus derivative of x into y with respect to x. Here it is like constant into function. We know derivative of derivative of d by dx of this constant into f of x is equals to constant as it is into this derivative of f of x. So for that here we'll keep y as it is. Derivative of x with respect to x becomes 1. So therefore it is 6x plus y. It is equals to, this is dou u by dou x. Similarly, let us find dou u by dou y. So dou by dou y of this u, again it is like e raised to x or y, you have to keep this one as it is, e to the power of 3x square plus xy. It is again a composite function. So e to the power of u is as it is, and derivative of u again dou by dou y of 3x square plus xy. So this e raised to 3x square plus xy as it is into derivative of 3x square. Again this 3x square is constant because we are differentiating partially with respect to y. So this is constant. So this derivative of constant is 0. We can leave that. Then plus x into y. Again here x is constant. So again I told you differentiation of constant into function means we keep constant as it is. We differentiate function only. So here x is constant. We will keep x as it is, and derivative of y is 1. So therefore dou u by dou y is equals to 3x square plus xy into 1. Let us take one more example. If u is equals to e raised to minus x cos y plus y sin y, then show that uxx plus uyy is equals to 0. That is, uxx means we know it is dou to u by dou x square plus dou to u by dou y square is equals to 0. This we know. Let us take u as it is first. U is equals to, you write this one function as it is. Then let us find dou u by dou x. So here e raised to minus x is function of x, and this x into cos y plus y sin y is also one more function. So you have to apply product rule here. Take this one as first function and this one as second function. Let us take one example, that is u is equals to e raised to minus x into x cos y plus y sin y. Then show that uxx plus uyy is equals to 0, or we can also say that here uxx is dou to u by dou x square plus dou to u by dou y square is equals to 0. Let us take here u as it is. Then first let us find dou u by dou x, because we want to find dou to u by dou x square. So it is equals to dou by dou x of u. Here it is a function of two variables. So it is product of two functions. E raised to minus x is one function and x cos y plus y sin y is another function. Apply product rule for differentiation. First function as it is, this derivative of x cos y plus y sin y with respect to x partially. So with respect to x means only x is variable. This cos y as it is constant. So constant as it is, derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Then this y sin y. Y sin y is again constant, derivative of constant is 0. Then plus the second function as it is, x cos y plus y sin y as it is, derivative of e raised to minus x, derivative of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into minus 1. So that it has e raised to minus x cos y minus e raised to minus x cos y plus sin y. Let us differentiate this once again. Dou to u by dou x square is equals to dou by dou x of dou u by dou x. So here again let us differentiate this partially again with respect to x. Here it is only one function because cos y is constant. Cos y as it is, derivative of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into minus 1. Minus. So this is again product of two functions. E raised to minus x into this function again as it is. So let us take minus sign here as it is. Apply product rule once again. First function as it is, derivative of x cos y plus y sin y, derivative of x cos y constant, derivative of x is 1, then plus y sin y is constant, again derivative of constant becomes 0, only one term we will get here cos y. Then plus the second function x cos y plus y sin y as it is. Then a derivative of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into minus 1. Now open this bracket, minus e raised to minus x cos y minus e raised to minus x cos y, then this here minus into this minus is becomes plus e raised to minus x into x cos y plus y sin y. So it is we have two terms here. If you open this bracket, these two terms are same. It is minus 2 times of e raised to minus x cos y plus remaining term as it is. Take this one as equation number 1. Similarly, let us differentiate this u partially with respect to y. Dou by dou y of e raised to minus x cos y plus y sin y. Here it is, we are differentiating partially with respect to y. Only y is variable, remaining are all constant. So this e raised to minus x is constant. It is like constant into function. This will keep constant as it is e raised to minus x. Let us differentiate this bracket. X cos y with respect to y. Here again x is constant. Derivative of cos y is minus sin y. Plus y sin y with respect to y again. Here again both are functions of y and sin y, and you have to apply product rule for this. First function as it is, derivative of sin y is cos y, plus second function sin y as it is, derivative of y with respect to y is 1. So it is like this. Let us differentiate this once again partially with respect to y. Dou 2u by dou y square is equals to dou by dou y of this dou u by dou y. It is again similarly e raised to minus x is constant, will keep this one as it is. Then derivative of minus x sin y with respect to y partially, minus x is constant and derivative of sin y is cos y. Plus again y cos y, both are functions of y. So first function y as it is, derivative of cos y is minus sin y, plus second function cos y as it is, derivative of y is 1. Next plus derivative of this sin y is again cos y. Let us simplify this. So open this bracket. This is minus e raised to minus x into x cos y minus, you have to multiply all the terms with e raised to minus x. So e raised to minus x into y sin y. Then cos y plus cos y is 2 cos y. So it is 2 times of e raised to minus x into cos y. This is second equation. So from equation 2 and 1, RHS are equal. So are not equal. So we have to add these two equations because we want to find uxx plus uyy. So you have to add these two equations. Adding equations 1 and 2. So here let us take equation 1. In equation 1 we have here minus 2 e raised to minus x cos y. Here we have e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus x cos y. So if you add these two equations, these terms will get cancelled. So you will get 0.